Miron's success in the industrial market in western Wisconsin really comes down to our local workforce. We have a workforce that understands that customers' machines need to be up and running. Downtime is non-productive time. They're not generating revenue when their equipment isn't running. So whether it's new equipment installations, whether it's routine scheduled maintenance, or it's an emergency breakdown on an evening, weekend, our crew understands that they need to get in and get that machine back up and running as quick as possible. Most of your industrial facilities are more concerned with safety than any other factor. Our crews walk in the door understanding the safety expectations and quality expectations that the industrial customers require. 3/4 of our industrial work is from repeat customers. One of the big reasons we opened an office in Eau Claire was to increase the level of service we're able to provide to our existing customers, and many of them have opened the doors to new opportunities along the way. By actually delivering on what we promise, that's how we build relationships.